Hello students, as you are seeing here today, the date is 15 May 2020 and we are going to start Unseen Passage. Unseen Passage 1. Why we are writing 1? Because this passage I will read but you will not write in your notebook this paragraph. So that's why I have written 1 for getting no confusion. Okay. So Unseen Passage 1 we will write. Then heading is read the passage below and answer the following questions. What does it mean, unseen passage? Unseen passage beta generally means unseen. Seen means देखा, un means नहीं देखा हुआ passage, एक paragraph. One paragraph I am giving you. That paragraph you have never seen. You will read the paragraph and then I will give you some questions and you will find out the answers of that questions within the paragraph, or between the paragraph their answers are there, but you have to find out what you will write in the answer. So firstly we'll discuss the paragraph, we'll read the paragraph, then I'll ask questions from you and then you will give me the answers. Okay, so the paragraph is: Mother duck walked back home with her ducklings. Mother duck, duck everyone knows who is duck. ठीक है, mother duck walked back means walked back home, वापस जाना, walked back home with her ducklings. Ducklings means baby of duck. Baby of duck is called duckling. Baby of duck is called duckling. ठीक है, baby of duck is called duckling. Why here ducklings are written here? Because there are more than one duckling. ठीक है. Next, she had taken 6 of them to a pond for a swim. Means mother duck had taken 6 of them to a pond for a swim. Mother duck taken 6 of her ducklings to pond. ठीक है, pond means to a pond for a swim, for swimming. She has taken her ducklings to a pond. ठीक है. When she, pond means, yes, it's a kind of small river, हाँ, छोटा सा एक पानी का तालाब type. When she reached back home, she started counting them. After going back home, she started counting. जब वो पॉन्ड से वापस आई मदर डक, तो उसने अपने बेबीज़ को काउंट करना शुरू किया. हाउ मैनी शी हैज़ टेकन विद हर? 6 टू द पॉन्ड. नाउ शी केम बैक एंड हाउ मैनी आर दे? 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. ओह, व्हाट्स दिस? 5? बट मदर डक टेकन 6. वाई इज दिस 5? Oh my god. Now see what next happened. Oh dear, said mother duck, where is the 6th one? Now mother duck is very worried about the 6th one. Where is the 6th one duckling? 6th one baby. Mother duck went back to look for the lost duckling. Now mother duck went back to find out the lost duckling. She looked behind the bushes. She looked, कहाँ देखा उसने? She looked behind the bushes, like these are bushes, झाड़ियाँ. She looked behind the bushes, under the trees she looked, and over the fence. ठीक है, दीवार के ऊपर भी उसने सारा देखा, आगे पीछे सब. But the little duckling was nowhere. Nowhere means कहीं नहीं. The little duck was nowhere. The 6th one baby she didn't found. Mother duck went to the pond. Now mother duck, where she went again? Mother duck went to the pond. Splash, splash. Splash means like someone is in the pond and who is doing like this ना, ऐसे तो क्या आवाज़ आती है पानी की? Splash, splash. So there was the little duckling swimming and playing in the pond. So there was the little duckling swimming and playing in the pond with the frogs. Where is the last duckling? 6th one duckling. That duckling was in the pond and playing with the frogs. That duckling was playing with the frogs. And mother duck was very happy now that she found her little one, sixth one. Okay, so this is the small story of a mother duck and her 6 ducklings, 6 babies. Okay, now I am telling you some questions. You have to try to give answers first, then I'll tell you. Okay, so you will not maintain this paragraph, just you will maintain which I have maintained in my notebook. Okay, in this way.